that you can use to power up some cards.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But one thing I like though is the idea of being able to make a use. Let's say, you know how there's a lot of decks which focus on destroying whatever creature, or like just picking and choosing, like what card should die, like a fire deck. Like sometimes they may not always be just trying to destroy directly. They're trying to just like like precision, like cripple your deck.
Mostly red cards are like 3 damage to your opponent or a creature.
Yeah.
More or less.
Sometimes they just want to cripple you first and then try to work on you next.
I don't think Chuck is breathing through his nose.
Yeah.
That's okay.
But
I think it's
after
all
playing